My people, how are you doing, guys? We came today to that place where I did the small river, this one here, and I'm gonna redo it again because I didn't have any sound last time. So let's see how this goes, guys, okay? Okay, so here there's a lot of spines, so I cannot really go here. It's a bit dangerous. Many spines. Okay. Can you see the little river over there? Look. Over there, yeah. And so, guys, I also came here today because I forgot a huge tile I found last time I was here. And I know where it is. It's very close. But I also wanted to show you guys better, since last time there wasn't... Oh, look over there under. Can you see? That's all water. Where is it, guys? Oh, here it is. I left this huge tile back here, look, and I came to retrieve it. So it has a bit of cement below it. So we're gonna follow through here. Can you see? Nice little river. On the other side, there's a nice space too. Sorry about my audio problem, guys. It's my cell phone needs repair, and I went today to the guy to ask him, and it's 25 euros. And I also left. I didn't leave my cell phone because I can still use the. Okay, we can come down here to the tree. Wonderful tree here, guys. Look, and we can come down here to the little river. Look. Actually, I think we can. People done this to cross the river. Guys, look how nice this is. Bless you, my people. I don't want to get wet, okay? Hope you guys been fine. Mr. Barnacles, I hope you get your bike sorted, brother. Like I'm trying to get sorted my cell phone. I also left 2 or 3 old cell phones to see if the repair is not very expensive. And let's see if the guy does a good price for me, okay, guys? Love you, people. Stay blessed. Look at the sun over there, look. Sunset is almost here, guys. Oh, nice stone. Big stone. Yep. Can watch the sky for a little bit. It's been a bit cloudy, but we still have sun, so I'm quite happy for that. Oh, a UFO, look! Goofon's UFO, look! Goofon's UFO, guys. Look, Goofon's UFO tower. Bless you, my people. Love you very much. Hope you guys doing well. Keep the eyes in the sky, guys.